Welcome to a chef called Rhonda. I'm Rhonda and this is my kitchen. And today I'm going to teach you how to make a classic balsamic vinaigrette. Let's grab our trusty wooden spoons while I show you how to make my grandmother's classic balsamic vinaigrette. All right, welcome into the kitchen. Here we are. Grandma's balsamic vinaigrette recipe, super easy, super healthy. While I glove up, I'll go through the list of items needed for today's recipe. I'm using a stainless steel whisk, a glass bowl, a teaspoon, a silicone spatula, and of course, a good quality balsamic vinegar. And I have 6 tablespoons today that I'm working with. I'll add that to our glass mixing bowl, followed by the juice of 1 fresh lemon. I'm going to mix these 2 together and give it a good stir with my silicone spatula. After this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of raw honey. I traditionally use the organic honey. This just adds a little bit of sweetness in a freshness kind of way. Once I turn that honey into my ingredients using the spatula, I'm then going to incorporate them well with my whisk. Next, I am going to slowly add the extra virgin olive oil. And today I'm using between 6 and 8 tablespoons, and depending upon the thickness of your vinaigrette, you can add more or less. Finally, I'm going to add our Dijon mustard, and I'm going to use 2 teaspoons today. That's the desired spiciness that I enjoy. And then finally, I'm going to use those pepperoncini, crushed red pepper, fresh out of the hull. I'm going to add 2 or 3 to taste, and I'm going to whisk and whisk some more until I get a nice frothy appearance like so. Can you see that? And there we are finito. Now it's time to turn out that balsamic vinaigrette into a pretty decorative salad dressing container like so. Many thanks for watching today's cooking show. It's always healthy, always delicious, and always fun. I hope you enjoyed Grandma Jenny's balsamic vinaigrette. I'll have the recipe scrolling at the end of this show. From my kitchen to yours, I bid you salute, cindan, arrivederci. Until we meet again, bye! Bye!